Namaste, welcome to Pyramid Vastu Solution. Myself Jamuna Lakshmika, Vedic and Pyramid Vastu expert. Today, let's understand if I do Vastu, whether I will not get any problems, will I not get anything. So, what is the benefit of Vastu construction if you do it properly, align the energies? Let me explain. See, when you do a Vastu, suppose we'll take a west zone. Okay, so west zone, if there is a toilet here, generally, okay, so I see we are interconnected. My house, my date of birth, and the planetary changes that we see in the astrology. The planetary keep on changing every 3 months, 6 months, years. Like this, the planetary changes will happen. When you do your house, so these are also the planets. When this is properly aligned, what happens? The suppose Sade Sat, if we take 7.5 years is running. Okay, if you have a toilet here, instead of suppose of getting 100% problem, since there is a defect, you will get 200 problems. Okay, suppose if the vastu is correct, there is no toilet here in the west, so you will, what happens in the 7.5 years, the whatever the problems you have to get the 100%, it is reduced into 50%. So this is the benefit of vastu. It is not that I will not get problems, I will not face the issues. It is not like this. When this is aligned properly, the problems will be reduced. If you make a defect here, the problem will get multiplied. So this is how it is interconnected. It is not that I will not get problems once you what happened. The people ask questions. Oh, all this fellow did. He is not getting problem or what? And also people say like you will become millionaire, you will become that crorepati if you do this. Suppose example north door. Okay, Kubera is there in the north door. Okay, Kubera is there in the north door. Let everybody keep the north door. Everybody became millionaire. My dear friends, no, it's a myth. See, if I keep the north door here, if I open, so based on my karma, what I have done, good or bad to the people around me, or in my past lives, that is all calculated. Based on that, my hard work, my karmic accounts, so the profit will be given from the north. Okay, you do bad for 1,000 people, you hurt so many people, and you keep the north door, you cannot get the benefit and you cannot become the millionaire. So karma is attached here. Based on your karma, nature knows, but if you give, you will not face the financial problem as per that. Okay, suppose if I am earning 10,000 rupees, I need 10 to 20,000 for my house expenses, so it will be given. You will not face the problem. Suppose your hard work so much, if you keep the north, you will become sudden millionaires. Suddenly you will become millionaire. That is how the karma works. It depends, it's interconnected your karma also with this house vastu. Okay, it is not that everybody everybody became millionaire. It's all myth. It's not possible. So try to understand this. If you need any kind of guidance regarding the vastu or the consultation, please contact the below numbers. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.